Okay, so we're back to doing our next sketchbook assignment. This is our contour line drawing number 2. This is going to be a blind contour drawing of our hand. So hopefully we can see this okay. I'm going to use my little piece of paper. And then you want to just place your hand outside of that paper. This is blocking my vision, but hopefully you guys can see. You're going to start with finding a spot on your paper. You can look to find that spot on your paper, so I know I'm going to start right here. Decide where on your hand you're going to start. So I'm actually going to start on my pinky, which is a little difficult for you guys to see from your position. Let's see if I move my hand over here, you guys can see. And then you're going to go nice and slow. It's almost like your pen is tracing over the top of your hand. You want to get the exterior lines as well as the interior lines. So right now I'm doing the wrinkles on my pinky knuckle, coming back over, and then don't forget those fingernails. Do your fingernails. You could even do where the cuticle skin is separated, and then come down. And this pinky from my vision is cut a little skinny because my other finger is overlapping it. So now I'm going to come over and do my ring finger, and I'm actually working on my rings right now. And then I'm going to come over and do my knuckle. And then move out. I'm doing my nail. And then come down. Wish you guys could see this a little better. Over. I'm trying to lift up that edge of the paper so you can see it. Okay, so doing the knuckle of my middle finger, coming over, doing the cuticle, the nail, coming back down. And I could have got that second knuckle as well. I'm going to just go in right now and do my knuckle of my pointer finger. And then come over. The paper's getting caught on my sketchbook. Let's see, I'm going to do the outside edge of that pointer finger. You know, the order on how you do the fingers, which finger you're going to do when, you know, all of that, that's up to you. You don't have to do it exactly like what I'm doing. The main important thing is that you go slow and that you try and get some interior lines as well as some exterior lines. Like right now I'm doing the wrinkles on the inside of my thumb. I can move over and do the opposite edge of the knuckle on my thumb. I'm going to do the nail bed of my thumb. We all have that little line that kind of separates our nail from our finger. Okay. Come down and do the bottom of my hand, which I have to run off the edge of my paper. That's okay. And then I can do the interior edges of my hand. Now this is where I'm gonna have to, I still can't lift my pen up even though there's not an actual line right there. I'm still gonna draw one. So where I can do the bones in the top of my hand, the cartilage, do that. I can even go in and do the edge of my sleeve if I want to. done. So when I lift it up, I'm going to show you guys the end result. Actually, not too bad. If yours looks crazy and you don't even recognize your hand, don't worry about it. It's a good practice in hand-eye coordination.